Let's dive into a sketchbook that holds many surprises, a creative momentum, and sketchy adventures. Hello, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. My name is Koosje Koenen, and on this channel I share the stuff that I do and the things that I learn through my sketchbook practice, and hopefully it inspires you on your creative journey too. Today I have a sketchbook tour for you, and I just want to dive right in. I filled another Hahnemühle Nostalgie sketchbook. I really like the smooth paper of these sketchbooks. As always, I start with my contact details just in case I would lose my sketchbook. Never happened, but you never know. And then I just got started, drawing in cafes and at home. These are done during a fun online drawing session with friends. We were using black and white photos by Lee Miller for reference. And when I got to our last reference photo, I came upon a page that I had randomly put some collage pieces on earlier that week, not knowing what or when I would draw on these pages. That was a bit of a surprise, but I decided to change materials and grab my brush pen, and it worked out pretty well. It's funny how collage always brings an extra element and how the drawing can really play off of the collage pieces, and it always kind of seems like it was intentional all along. Drawing in a living room using only ink and wash. Using a limited color palette that matches the Italy vibe that I was trying to capture here. This was in preparation to my Italy trip in May, and you can still join it, just saying. But I'm not in Italy yet. It's winter time, and that's why I'm drawing a lot in cafes. Here I hadn't drawn in a few days because I was sick, but this is the first wobbly drawing after that, back on my feet again. These are drawings done during my January mini workshop. I do these monthly and it's so much fun. Anyone can join to draw together. I come up with fun instruction and an assignment that we will work on. It's 90 minutes and we learn from each other, and it's just a whole lot of fun. If you want to join one of these, follow the link in the video description. This was my project that I already showed you in a previous Draw Tip Tuesday video. Remember, with the list of factoids that I gathered? I did 6 of these all together, and I did a bunch in a row here, using creative momentum. Drawing at breakfast, and another Italy one. Drawing with only water-soluble black colored pencil. Sometimes less is really more. Here's more collage, another surprise page that I filled in a cafe. A few frames filled using a limited color palette, and then drawing on the go on the other page. Oh, drawing with my dad at the Railway Museum during a National Urban Sketchers Day. There were 350 fellow sketchers there. I did a whole bunch of drawings and I really enjoyed this. And here is number 6 of my do's and don'ts in Italy. It's also the last one that I did in this series, in this sketchbook. I might still keep going because I do have lots of prompts on that list, but maybe I'm done with it. Who knows? Drawing in a cafe with a friend. Here I joined an online session where, coincidentally, the subject was Portugal, which was great for me to get in the mood for my upcoming trip in April, where I will co-lead the workshop Capture the Lisbon Wow. Yet another online session with friends, this time drawing Theo from very cute reference photos. Happy with the practice because I want to feel more confident when drawing animals, so I have to do it more often. This is from Street View World Tour. That's a monthly event online, and every month they have a different demo artist as a guest. And this time I was the demo artist. We did a whole bunch of drawings, visiting Google Street Views in Lisbon for this session. You can still join me on this creativity adventure where you will capture your wow by filling a whole sketchbook in just 1 week. And on the other page I am drawing in a cafe with friends, and there I kept going until I filled the very last page too. Well, I hope this gave you a few ideas. Maybe you want to pick up a little project, or you want to go on a tiny adventure or a bigger adventure. You could go out and draw on location with friends, go to a cafe and have some fun drawing and playing with your tools, your materials, and also playing with their materials, because your art materials might be different than theirs. If you need an assignment this week, then see if you can create some kind of adventure for yourself. Go to a cafe with a friend and draw there. Maybe you can swap out art materials and you might discover something new. Or maybe you can pick up a little project. It could even be a one-day project. Just the project could be filling a page in little snippets throughout the day. Don't think about it as something big. Think about it as something really, really fun that you can totally do. And of course, don't forget to have fun. I'll see you next week. Bye.